Welcome to Back and Hips Pain Relief, and today I am making this class in a very historic Hindu temple so you guys can charge and enjoy this energy. My name is Paula Ruby, CEO of Neo Sutras, and let's begin. We're going to start in a wide legs position. Inhale your arms up. On the exhale, start to bend your knees to the side. So it's going to be a little warm up. Inhale, exhale, sitting deeper. Inhale and exhale deeper. So we do this just to warm up our legs, muscles, and joints. Inhale, come up. And the exhale, start to bring your toes to touch. Now I'm going to turn sideways. Sit in the chair pose. In the chair pose, try to keep your knees 90-degree angle. Inhale, arms up. And exhale, fall forward. So here we'll ask you to grab the opposite elbows and also slightly bend your knees and just hang heavy. If you want to bring your floor closer, you can touch the blocks here. But I would recommend just to curve your back a little and swing down. This one is already releasing a lot of tension in the lower back. And then we're gonna place our hands all the way down on the floor and step one leg at a time in a plank pose. And just shift left and right, hold it for a second. Take a deep inhale. On the exhale, shift back to downward facing dog. Tap, tap, bend your knees one at a time. Extend your arms, lift up hips all the way up to the ceiling. This is also a beautiful, empowering pose, downward facing dog. Try to put your heels all the way down and extend your shoulders. Now place your left leg right in between your shoulders and raise your right leg up. So as you see, my standing leg is straight. Now I'm gonna bring this knee towards my chest and shift forward. On the inhale, coming up and back. Square your hips. We're gonna do 3 of these. Bring it in. So when you curve and you engage in your abs, and that illuminates the lower back pain. The last one, lift up and hold. Get ready to step through. And we are here in a low lunge. Also the rule of 90-degree angle here. Keep the back leg straight. That's what works on liberation of your hips. And now untuck. And here we are in Anjaneyasana. Enjoy this pose, or lift one hand at a time and just balance out. Reach up and slightly back. That will open up your hips so much. Then let the blood flow in. On the exhale, drop down. Tuck your toes. And here I will ask you to bring this leg a little closer, and we're going to do mountain pose, so lower down. Again, if you want to bring the floor closer, just put your hands on the blocks. Important to keep your hips rotated up. The back is flat. Exhale, exhale. Slightly bend your front knee, place your hands down, and back to downward facing dog. Top, top here. Shift your hips left and right. I would not recommend to stay rigidly in a pose. Always create slight motion. Let your body to relax. Right leg goes in the center. Inhale your left leg up this time. Also adjust your hips. If you feel any tightness, make sure it's square. Hold. And let's go for 3. Knee to chest. Inhale. Second time. Engage your core. And last one. Now get ready to step through. Exhale, nice step forward. Always be okay with adjusting the back leg. 90-degree angle here. And focus on pushing back and up with your right knee, extending your leg. Feeling the stretch and openness right here in your hip. Drop your knee and tuck your toe. Anjaneyasana. Lengthen your spine here, relaxing. And if you want to float, both hands up. Slightly lift up your stomach and shift back just a little bit. On the exhale, slowly put your hands down. Tuck your toe, lift up knee, and we're going to again shift a little closer, make this tiny adjustment. Mountain pose, inhale, exhale, melt down. I'm not relaxing my head because of the microphone, but you are welcome to just drop your head down, relax your neck. Also, if that is hurting for you, you can bend your knee just a little. Slight bends in the knee will help you to alleviate any tension. Take another second, drop your hands down, and step back to downward facing dog. Take a deep inhale here. Now bend your knees. This is going to remind you of froggy position. Shift back and shift forward. Very micro movements. Also to activate your hip area and relax the lower back tension. Let's go for 3. Let's go for 2. And exhale, downward facing. Walk your feet towards your hands. The second set hanging down. Relax. This time your hands touching the feet, and I will ask you to place your feet shoulder distance width. Then maybe you can slide your palms under and start bending your elbows, rotating your hips up. Inhale, up and reach. Exhale, bend. Relaxing the back of your legs, bringing the flow, blood flow, lymph flow. You're going to feel way lighter after these. And then liberate your arms, bend your knees, and roll up. To finalize this practice, reach up with your arms. Steeple grip. Align your body. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, tilt to one side. This is perfect for realigning and for strengthening your lower limbs. Inhale up. And exhale to the other side. Keep your legs steady and strong. And bring yourself back up. Exhale your arms in the heart center and feel the difference in your body when you started and now. And more you do it, more you're going to see the difference, the flow of energy that come into you. And most importantly, to have it consistently, every day a little bit. That's why I'm creating these short sessions. Thank you, friends, for investing in yourself. My name is Paula Rubis, CEO of New Sutras. And please like and share this video because someone may benefit from it and it will help me to grow my channel. Also check out the links under this video and get bigger introduction to the wellness work that I do. Thank you for being with me. I see you next episode.